Hey guys, Jennifer and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And this is all you need to know about the SIG P320 X-Carry in 90 seconds. Now Jen, this gun was released at SHOT Show in 2017. Now this is a viewer requested video, so we're going to give you a little bit of information, hopefully and fit it all in 90 seconds. Something I noticed right off the bat is the X-ray sights. Now those are the exact same thing as what you would find on a Legion currently, and the flat trigger. Now a lot of guys have come up to me and said, hey, this really helps with my reset and split times when I'm shooting.
This does come with 3 17-round magazines, which does help out in the long run because SIG is known for their more expensive magazines.
And on the X-Carry, a little bit different than the 320 standard model, you'll notice that the extended beaver tail and the extra high cut under the trigger guard really make it easy for somebody with a big hand like myself.
And it also has wider enhanced slide serrations and a cutout on the slide to keep the weight a little bit lighter.
And with the X-Carry, you'll notice inside the grip module there's a place for a weight. Now after speaking with SIG, this is something you should be able to buy off their website here in the future.
It is compatible with the Romeo 1 right now. In the future, they should be releasing additional plates for, say, your Burris Fastfire or RMR.
And unlike standard 320s, the X-Carry only comes in 9mm, with an overall length of about 7.4 inches and an overall width around 1.3 inches.
So the height is right at 5.5 inches, and the weight does come in a little bit higher than the standard P320 at 27 ounces.
The X-Carry, just like the 320, has a stainless steel nitron finish slide and a carbon steel barrel with an M1913 accessory rail for everything including your lights. Alright guys, the X-Carry comes in around $862 MSRP, but you should be able to pick that up at your local gun shop for around $700.
And that's all you need to know about the SIG P320 X-Carry in 90 seconds. If you like what you see, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below on videos that you'd like to see us do in the future.
Thanks guys.